Hello and welcome to Piano with Georgia. I'm Georgia and today we are going to practice together. One of the hardest things can be finding yourself sitting at the piano and thinking, okay, what in the world am I supposed to do now? So join me on your bench or chair and let's do this thing together. In every practice session, follow the following model. Do something for your hands, strength, agility, and coordination. Do something for your mind. Think about some of the concepts that were tricky for you and practice sorting it out. Do something for your heart. Let go of all the technical stuff and the details and focus on having fun. Time to work on our hands. Let's start easy. Set up a 5-finger C scale, arpeggio, and chord. I'm going to play this hands together, but you can absolutely feel free to play hands separately. Just pause the video and repeat for the other hand. Faster is not better. Go as slowly as it takes to be relaxed and controlled. Try to use the same finger numbers that I am using. It may be a bit more challenging, especially with fingers 4 and 5, but trust me, you want to build them up too. Remember our simple modification for the chord. If it is difficult for your hands to play all 3 notes at the same time, fall on 1s and 5s, then add your 3. Let's play. 1, 2, ready, go. C, D, E, F, G, F, E, D, C. C, E, G, E, C. And together. Switch to C minor by lowering finger 3. 1, 2, ready, go. Switch starting notes. Now start on the note G. Major first. 1, 2, ready, go. G, A, B, C, D, C, B, A, G. G, B, D, B, G. And chord. Adjust finger 3 down a half step and let's play the minor version. 1, 2, ready, go. G, A, B flat, C, D, C, B flat, A, G. One more with a different shape. Start on a D. Major first. Remember our pattern? We need a sharp in the middle on this one. 1, 2, ready, go. D, E, F sharp, A, B, A, F sharp, E, D. D, F sharp, A, F sharp, D, and all together. Make it minor by lowering finger 3 a half step, this time to a white key. 1, 2, ready, go. D, E, F, G, A, G, F, E, D. D, F, A, F, D, and your chord. Now your fingers are warmed up. Let's do one more thing for our hands. This is harder. Give it a try. And if it doesn't happen, slow down and try again. If it still doesn't happen, that is okay. Push yourself to do the hard thing, but if your hands aren't ready, Be patient with them. They will be soon. Back to our C scale setup. Right hand, you are going to play legato. Left hand, you are going to play staccato. 1, 2, ready, go. If that was easy, try it faster. Then try it with the legato staccato hands reversed. If it was hard, try to just do this with one note. Only your C's. Right hand is going to hold and left hand is going to bounce. There's always a way to make what currently feels hard easier so you can build up to it in a way that feels good. Enough hand exercises for today. Now let's do some brain work. Let's read some notes on the staff. Let's calculate the first note. G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Now let's notice the shape. Ask yourself these questions: up or down? Down. Stepping or skipping? Skip. Okay, here's a skip. Let's calculate the interval of the skip. You can double verify by calculating the note name as well. 1, 2, 3. This is a third. Look through the whole song and feel free to write some things down. You could circle all your skips like this. Here's a skip. You could notice your changes of directions like this. Direction changes are always tricky spots. Bass clef is your left hand. Let's calculate the left hand starting note. F, E, D, C. Left hand starts on a C. Okay, here's a skip. Let's calculate the interval. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This interval is a fifth. You can double verify by calculating the note name. Here's our line for F. Go up 1, and that's G. The first note has a finger number by it. Right hand finger 5 should go on G. Left hand finger 5 should go on C. Now that we've thought it through, let's try it with our hands. The first note has a finger number by it, so we can now set up our hand for the song. Finger 5 goes on G. Left hand, finger 5, goes on C. You can also feel free to modify this to only be right hand alone or left hand alone before you try both hands together. This song has no moves, so rest easy. Let's play. 1, ready, go. Did anything trick you? If it did, go back to that spot if you can remember where it was. Notice what got you. Was it a direction change? Was it a skip? Was it just too much too fast? After thinking about what you want to be better next time, go back and play again. But go a little slower so you have more time to think. 1, ready, go. On the other side of things, if nothing tricked you, go back and play it 2 more times at the same speed. Then try it a little faster. 1, ready, go. One more time. 1, ready, go. And now a little faster. 1, ready, go. It's feeling better now, right? Repetition builds muscle memory, which makes the song feel easier and easier. You've worked hard reading a piece of music you've never played before. The more you repeat, the easier it will get. Let's move on to having some fun. Let's play our chord progression: C, A minor, F, G. First time, just review the chords slowly and simply. 1, 2, ready, go. And let's go back and end on C. The hand shifting is quite challenging. Watch your hands, aim ahead with your eyes, then move. Let's do it again. 1, 2, ready, go. C, aim, move to A. A, aim, move to F. F, aim, move to G. G, aim, move to C. Let's make it a bit more fun. Left hand, all you are going to do is play our bass line, the single alphabet letter that is the name of our chord. This means left hand doesn't have to move. Let's play left hand alone. Set up your thumb on C. Notice finger 3 is on A, finger 5 is on F, and finger 4 is on G. Finger 4 will probably give you trouble, but make that finger do its job. 1, 2, ready, go. 1 on C, 3 on A, 5 on F, 4 on G. Again, C, A, F, G. One more time. C, A, F, G, and let's end on C. Now, right hand, you are going to play our full chords, including the moves, but after your left hand plays. So we will have left hand C, then right hand chord, like this. Let's try it together. 1, 2, ready, go. C, C chord. A chord. F, F chord. G, G chord. Again, C, C chord. A chord. F chord. G, G chord. One more time. C, C chord. A chord. F chord. G chord. Back to C. Now let's add a little style. How about a bounce? So we would have, and so on. 2 C's, 2 C chords. 1, 2, ready, go. A chord, chord, F chord, chord. Again, C, C chord, chord A chord, chord F chord, chord G chord, chord C, C chord, chord A chord, chord F chord, chord G chord, and end on C. If any of you know the classic Heart and Soul, you have just learned the bottom part. If you don't know that song, well, you've done one of the most popular chord progressions in all music. Get creative and try out some different styles. Maybe we try a left-hand C, then a right-hand arpeggio, like this. Let's try that one together. A 1, 2, ready, go. C, C, E, G, A, C, E, F, A, C, G, G, B, D. And on C. You can also adjust the rhythm and make it anything you want to. You could change it to something like this. From here, feel free to do a search of a title and the words Easy Sheet Music. If you want to find more notation to practice, or search chord chart if you want to find more chord progressions of songs you like. If the notation looks complicated, just play one hand and go about 4 measures. If the chords look complicated, just calculate the basic chord, write down the note names if you need to, and ignore any extra numbers or slashes. Thank you so much for spending your time watching and playing with me. You are getting stronger and stronger with every practice. Please like and subscribe to support free piano for all, and I'll see you soon.